Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Arduino IDE software on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for this in the Microsoft search bar. Search for Microsoft Store in the Microsoft search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now you'll have to search for this word in the search bar on Microsoft Store, and I assure you that this is available here. Okay, so click on Arduino IDE and click on get, and it will start installing the software on your system, though it will need a while for that, and it's quite a well-rated software on the Microsoft Store. But if you don't want to do it this way, then another method is to search for it in the Bing search bar. For this, open Microsoft Edge and type it in the Bing search bar and then add the word download to it. Why? Because when you add the word download to it, it will give you the option to download, and the first option is on the Microsoft Store, but the second option is from its official website. Now click on download. You will be redirected to the official website, and then you can scroll down and click on Windows, and then you can click on just download and just download once again. It's a free software, so it will be downloaded easily, and then you can click on save and it will start saving the software. Alternatively, you can see that it's quite a huge software on the Microsoft Store, but you wouldn't have to go through all of that process of downloading the zip file, extracting it, and then running the setup file. So I will always prefer the Microsoft Store method. The Microsoft Store method is also easier. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.